We started building Sunny back in 2013 and we got it to campable in April 2015. Now Sunny was not completely finished, but we started to travel with it. When we were designing and building Sunny, just like all of you out there now, I was just so hungry for the information about the camper. So I went to YouTube and looked at different videos of a homemade one, manufactured one. I went to a blog and read up a different design and different ideas, and I went on the forums and asked questions, and that was all great. The thing was though, a lot of them built their camper and completed, and then they sort of disappeared. It's almost like they built the camper and then went somewhere to travel or something. I wanted to see, the follow-up. What happened to certain designs or construction method or the material? Why did you do that design and how did that turn out? Of course, I'm one of them, and I just recently went back to the forum that I was posting my progress, and then sure enough, all the photos that I uploaded, links has been broken and you can't see anything, and I haven't been back to that site in many years. Like I said, it's been 5 years since we started traveling and camping with our Sunny, so there are many things that I need to address, like repair and maintenance. And I'm thinking about documenting that in the form of videos. I figured this could be a good resources for people who are getting into this DIY camper building. But of course, I could really suck at this video making thing and I may not make anymore. In that case, I'll just go back to camping, and I guess that's okay too.